Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Found. The police have confirmed that the body of a man found this afternoon beside a silver motor vehicle in a ravine along Spurtree Hill in Manchester is that of missing Acting Deputy Commissioner of Corrections, Reverend Orville Moore.
But was it foul play? Krista Campbell was on location and filed this report.
About 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon, confirmation from Acting Head of the Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, Assistant Police Commissioner Cleon Marsh.
What appears to be the body of the Acting Deputy Commissioner of Corrections, Reverend Orville Moore, has just been found in the Spurtree area of Manchester. We have confirmed that the body is his, and the body was found very close to his personal vehicle, which was discovered mangled. It appears, or we are theorizing that at this time, that the vehicle seemed to have been at
a section of Spurtree Hill in Manchester called Eglinton, scores of police and a few residents started to gather. Soon after, chaos as curious onlookers parked their vehicles to the side of the road trying to find out what was happening. Traffic ground to a halt because of it, but minutes later slowly started moving again. Later, employees of the Department of Correctional Services arrived, the fire service, and eventually members of the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF. Police told me they were trying to find evidence of where the car belonging to missing Acting Deputy Commissioner of Corrections, Reverend Orville Moore, veered off the road. They concentrated their search here in Eglinton because it's an area where larger units like trucks usually run off the road. Sometime later, persons pointed to a suspected vehicular track, but it didn't seem fresh. However, the Reverend had been missing since Monday, hours after he was seen leaving his relative's home off Malines Road in St. Andrew. As the crowd in the area started to build, police went searching the ravine below. Soon after, officers asked everyone to step behind a certain defined area. Reverend Moore was the Chief Rehabilitation and Probation Aftercare Officer before he was recently appointed Interim Deputy Commissioner of Corrections. At the crime scene, his colleagues were worried and distraught. Though they did not want to speak on camera, they noted the fact that team members from Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth went to the scene is testament to Mr. Moore's notable character. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.